Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. Now you are watching heavy rainfall in La Vegabaza city in Spain. This morning, heavy rainfall in La Vegabaza city in Segura. Heavy rainfall on 22/10/2021 Friday morning. That's why these floods are happened. Now you are watching floods in another Spanish city due to heavy rains have caused flooding in the Spanish city of San Miguel de Salinas this morning. That means Friday morning 22 Friday 2021. Heavy rainfall in Vegabaza in Segura. Look at this roads, looks like a rivers. That is the situation. Okay friends, thanks for watching. We'll meet again another video.